What's going on, Fit Family? Coach Pat here, bringing you that energy through health, fitness, and wellness. Happy Friday to you all. And we got to change the pace today, all right? We're focusing strictly on our abdominal muscles. Yes, we got the six-pack ab routine. You can do this every single day. You can add this at the end of your other workouts that you do. This is very beginner friendly. So for those of you who are just starting out, maybe you don't know what to do to train your core, these are some great movements that you can add to implement into your routine right away, all right? It is a core burn. So we got 10 movements. We are going 40 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest per movement. All right, so all 10 of those moves, 10 minutes in total. You can take this on for multiple rounds. Like I said, you can implement this as a daily routine if you would like to. All right, but this is a change of pace, all right? So we're gonna be on the ground majority of the workout, matter of fact, the whole workout. So be prepared, get ready to burn that core up as much as possible within this 10 minutes, all right? Here is your six-pack ab 10-minute routine. Let's go, let's get it.
Don't let me go. The pain is flaking on the walls I know, and I can remember when you held me close. And now our love is broken and I'm falling to pieces.
All the shit you used to care so much about just keeps you a prisoner of your own mind. You stop trying so hard, and you surrender to the knowing that you don't know anything. But I think too much. I think too much. I think too much. But I think too much. I think too much.
with the beat. Get down with the beat and move your body. Get down with the beat. Get down with the beat. Get down.